Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday. I'm vlogging today and I am sick. No, I am actually pretty sick. I don't know what it is. I was sick like 2 weeks ago and then I got over it and now I'm sick again. I don't know what's happening to me. I don't like it, but hi, I'm here and I'm vlogging. Last night was super fun because me and my husband and my neighbors came over and we played Dune, and Dune is one of those games to where like I'm not like super into like competitive type games. Like I would rather just like sit back and watch than have to be like competitive because I get very nervous. I have a lot of anxiety and I get very nervous about stuff like that. So, but I did play. It was a lot of fun. As you can tell, my voice is shot because everybody was like so into it. Let's just say there was like a lot of like, no, oh my God, a lot of yelling and stuff. So I played, if you've never heard of Dune, Dune's a really good board game. It's been out for a long time. And now it's was it a book first? I assume it was a book first. It was a book first, then a board game, and now it's a movie. So Dune's pretty good. But we played that. And it took us like, it was like such a long game. We started at 8 and we didn't finish until midnight. It was a very long game. And then after we got done, we kind of like sat around and like chatted for a little bit. So I didn't end up going to bed until like 2 in the morning. And I can feel it today. And plus I'm sick, so like I couldn't sleep that well. And it's 10 right now and I can definitely feel it. But today's gonna be a good day no matter what. I have a hair appointment here at 10:15 just to cut my bangs again, just to kind of trim them up. That was all we're gonna do. But I am gonna go over there. But before I go over there, I do want to show you guys something. I have this box here from a company called Vivaia. I believe that's how you say it. And they reached out to me and asked if I wanted to try a pair of their shoes, which I absolutely said yes. And I have them right here. I'll do a try on and everything, but I do want to tell you a couple of things about the brand. So Vivaia is a chic brand of footwear focusing on creating stylish and sustainable footwear that is eco-friendly and responsible. We'll open her up like this, and all the products are made by using recycled material and 3D technology. The team has established a zero waste process to create a 3D seamless knit design for the ultimate combination of comfort and function. And also each pair of their shoes is a reincarnation of 6 plastic bottles that come from city waste and the ocean. And of course you can follow Vivaia Official on Instagram to learn more about their processes and of course look at all of their awesome shoes. Good morning everyone, it's future Kenzie now and today's Monday actually. I did not have that code to give you guys while I was filming that part, but I do have the code now. The code is Kenzie 15 right here. So if you wanted to use that code on Vivaia's website, you can do that and it will give you 15% off. So thank you again so much to Vivaia for sending over those shoes. I really appreciate it. These are the ones that I picked out. I really like the look of these. So Vivaia, to my knowledge, does more focus on like flats and ballet flats. I know they have some other types of footwear as well, like boots and stuff, but I really wanted to try something that was a little more, I don't know, these like really just kind of spoke to me when I saw them on the website. The ones that I picked out are the pointed toe everyday flats. They do have like a tiny little block heel on them, but there is not too much height. They are still considered flats, but they look very nice. Look at this, they look very chic. I'm really into that. I got a size 39. One of the reasons why I picked these ones is because I was thinking that they could look really good like day to night. They're kind of like a both time shoe to me. Very much daytime, but then you could also transition these into nighttime wear as well. But they do have a stretchy toe bit right here. It is quite a pointed toe as well, as you can see that. It's really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and try these on and like show you with my outfit. Here is the rest of my outfit. It looks really cute together. I feel like these would also just like match anything. Okay, I'm off to my appointment. Alright, me and Raph are off to get some lunch, and I changed my outfit. I've got on my cute little yellow button down, a white top, kind of like stretchy flared pants, and of course I've got me shoes on right here. Yep, we're gonna go get lunch. I'm very excited. I feel like it's gonna rain, so that's sad. We've come out to lunch and I'm very excited because we're celebrating a couple of things today just in general, but Raph's gonna get a steak, I'm gonna get some pasta. I'm very excited about it. We both got lemon drop martinis. Those are like our favorite alcoholic drinks. They're very good. But yeah, I'll show you the food whenever it gets here, and then I think we're gonna go like around this area because it's like a little shopping center and stuff too, so I think we're gonna go to like a few places, Barnes & Noble, stuff like that. I like looking around, so yeah, I will show you the food whenever it gets here, but that's the update. I got my pasta. It's very, very good. I already started eating. I forgot to film it before I took a bite, but it's great. Raph got his steak and his fries, and then we got lemon drop martinis again because we love these, but yeah, so good. Hi you guys, it is a little bit later and we are, I'm sitting in the car. Raph's inside GameStop because he really wanted to come in here and see what he could find. We went to, so after we ate, we went to Barnes & Noble, which I'm doing a very bad job of vlogging today just because I don't feel very good. So we went to Barnes & Noble, looked at some board games, and then Raph picked up the first edition of Doom because the first book, because our neighbor really wants to read Doom, but he hasn't been able to find the books, so we picked up the first one at Barnes & Noble. And of course I asked if they had the Jeanette McCurdy book in the store, and they did not, but I did go ahead and pre-order it on Amazon, so I should get it in like September or something, but I'll look around as well to see if I can find it somewhere else, but if not, I'll get it in September. But yeah, and then we went to Target to pick up just a couple of things, some more coffee. I got 2 new dog bowls for the dogs, very cute, and that's about it. Now Raph is inside of GameStop, but he is coming back. Here he is. Did you find anything?
No.
No?
No.
Well, that's okay. We're gonna go home now because I'm literally, I'm falling asleep and it's raining. Good morning, everyone. It's currently Sunday. It's the next day. I forgot to end the vlog yesterday because I was so tired, so I literally fell asleep. I'm still sick, as you can hear. I'm still sick. I love this for me. But I got into my Balenciaga sweater because it's really warm and I'm just really feeling the fall vibes. I can't wait for fall. Like, I just want to live in this color and I want fall time, like right now, please. So yeah, I think today me and Raph are not gonna do anything. I just want to hang out and maybe get Taco Bell or something, but I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here today. I don't really have anything else I'm gonna do. I kind of feel worse today than I did yesterday, so I think I'm just gonna relax and chill and not do much. So you guys, I really hope that you did enjoy the video, and I hope that you enjoyed that little unboxing. Thank you again to Vivaia for sending me those shoes and for providing that amazing discount code for you guys. And yeah, I have actually been wearing those shoes every day since I got them, since you've seen them, and I really, really like them. So very happy and very excited to have those. And you guys, I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and the subscribe if you want to. And be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!